Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put your iPhone 17 in lost mode using Find My iPhone service. If you'd like to put your iPhone in lost mode because most likely you've lost it, you can simply do it via Find My service. And before I begin, I'm quickly gonna show you, if you're watching this video before that problem occurs, before you actually need to use it, it is very worth going to settings, then clicking on your name at the top, going to Find My iPhone, and making sure that Find My iPhone is enabled. I'd also highly recommend enabling Find My Network and Send Last Location, which let you locate your phone even if it's offline or the battery is very critically low. Now if you have another Apple device signed into the same Apple account, you can go to Find My app on that other Apple device. But let's say we don't have it, then we can go to any device whatsoever and just go to a website. So you can see I have my computer right here and I have iCloud.com website open, and what I can do is click on Sign In, then enter my email, the one that's connected to my Apple account, logged in on the iPhone that you're trying to put in lost mode. And then I'm gonna enter the password as well. Let's see if it was correct. Yeah, now it sends this verification code, but let's say you don't have it because it's your only iPhone and it's lost. Then no need to worry, you can click on Find Devices here at the bottom. And now you'll see all your devices. Now, I'll need to select the correct one because there's quite a few of them. Okay, this is the one. This is iPhone 17, and I can click on Lost Mode. Now, this allows you to leave a phone number and message for the finder. So let's add the phone number. I'm just gonna, make it up. Now you can add a message. Let's say reward 100 USD. Let's activate it. And now, if the iPhone is online, it'll get in lost mode. So you can see it shows all the information, basically everything that that person may need. It still allows for emergency calls, which is great, and it also gives a call button if you have a SIM card inserted, so you can call the person that the person that finds it can call your number that you've entered here. And basically, if you find your iPhone, you can simply unlock it and it's out of the lost mode now. So yeah, basically that, and it's still locatable on the website. Now you can see it also shows as unlocked already. And that's basically it. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.